What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime back again with another video, and I want to thank you guys for 1,400 subscribers and keeping the channel growing. And if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button followed by the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I drop a video. We're going to be taking a look at the Plantronics 800LX. They're Dolby Atmos enabled headphones for your Xbox or Windows PC. Now these things are pretty cool just by the fact that they have Dolby Atmos, they're wireless. Now get this guys, this product even comes with the gift card to enable Dolby Atmos for headphones. So all you're going to need to do is connect this hub to your Xbox. The reason that I went out and bought these was actually because my Turtle Beach X42s just died. I purchased them when they came out almost 8 years ago, and they have finally died. So I'm going to hope that I can use these to watch TV, but for the most part I'll be using them for Xbox. So we're just going to check and make sure it works with the TV and the Xbox, but judging by the USB hub that I'm seeing in the photos and videos of this product, I don't think it's going to work with just TV. I think you have to have your Xbox on. But we're going to check that out right now, guys. So we're here in front of the Rig 800LX, and as you can see it says Dolby Atmos Special Edition, Wireless Surround Xbox One. So these are going to be wireless headphones with Dolby Atmos, 24-hour battery on these bad boys, and it's by Plantronics. I haven't used one of these in a long time. 2x game chat mixer. Lag-free 2.4 GHz digital RF, 10-meter range, 1500 mAh battery. And we've got the microphone specs, headphones, frequency response, drivers, 40mm dynamic driver, passive resonators, and it's going to come with wireless headset, wireless bass, USB charging cable, and Dolby Atmos activation card. Now it says Dolby Atmos requires an Xbox or Windows 10 compatible device and a Microsoft account and login. So you're going to go to the Dolby app, which I've covered already on my channel in one of my earlier videos. These are going to enable you to use your headphones with Dolby Atmos, which is pretty awesome. And the fact that they're wireless and the fact that it's a self-adjusting headband made me really want to check these out. Now these are the features right here. Ultralight frame, self-adjusting headband, which I like because my head's very small. Noise cancelling boom mic, flips up to mute, I like that. Isolating air cups, block noise, I like that. Set the perfect balance of game chat and sound, power on and off in pair, rotary master volume, micro USB connector. Select between pure, intensify, seismic, and vocal focus, and the wireless bass for Xbox One and most PCs. Okay, so that's pretty cool. It's going to work with PC and Xbox and give you the Dolby Atmos activation card. Now, it's not noise canceling, but the air cups will block out noise, so it almost is like noise canceling. Just for pure disclosure, the Turtle Beach 700s, 700 Stealth or whatever you call them, those ones actually have noise canceling, but the problem was for me, they had no bass. They had nothing to plug into. So I'm trying to figure out if this bass actually comes with an optical in. That way you won't necessarily have to keep it plugged into the Xbox. You just need that to power the bass. And that's how my other ones are. So I'm hoping this one will do the same. So let's go ahead and open this Console Rig 800LX by Plantronics. We've got some tape right here. My sister-in-law actually got me these unboxing scissors. She watches my YouTube videos, so thanks Jordan. I really appreciate these. I like them a lot. So they're cool. They lock like that, and then you just go like this, and you can get in there and unbox, cut cardboard. They're very sharp. Wow. Very nice. I really like these, Jordan. Thank you so much. They're amazing. Actually has a little fold right there in the box, and then you can pull the headphones out. Right here we have the Rig LX, and these are the headphones itself. Oh geez, they're velcroed in here. That's very nice. Pull out the velcro strap. So first look at the headset here, and there's the self-adjusting strap. Wow, dude, look at these air cups. They're like a microfiber mixed with a pleather, I believe, and you can actually see the driver right there. Looks very nice. These seem wicked comfortable. They're like memory foam. You can turn the game volume up or turn the chat volume up. That's pretty cool. And then the volume itself. So I guess if you just want the game, go here. If you want more chat, you go there. Very nice. I really like that design. And the top of the headband's got some rubberized feel right here. And the microphone right here is, take that off. And let's see here. So microphone flips down, and it flips right back up for a nice comfortable playing session. I like the look of these headphones. They look very nice. I like the look of it. 800 rig it says there. And let's see, we've got micro USB charging, unfortunately. And we've got a button here at the bottom. Okay, so we've got a micro USB cable, and right there is going to be your Xbox Dolby Atmos key. So that's awesome that they include that. Now, right off the bat, this thing is super, super light, guys. I'm going to give you a good look at it. It's got plastic, and we've got a switch between Xbox and PC. So, there is no adapter, so that kind of stinks. I wish I could plug this into my TV, but it looks like I'm going to have to just plug it into my Xbox, and I'll just have to use these for gaming. If I want to watch Netflix, I'll watch it on Xbox, so I think these will do the job. And we've got a little plastic peel. USB cable is rubberized cable. It does not feel very strong or very weak either. It's got a nice rubberized feel almost. Not bad. And then we've got some plastic around this headset. Pairing button right there. And let's just try to take this plastic off. It looks like it begins right there. Oh yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one, guys. I really like that one. So we got a switch between PC and Xbox. So pretty simple to set up. And we've got a charging cable here. Now I really wish this wasn't a charging cable. I wish it had a base. For $150, I think they could have gave you a small base. But that's just my honest opinion. So let's charge these up. And looks like you're going to charge them right here. Okay. A red indicator light turns on. Which power them on. So I'm going to plug this in my Xbox. What's going on? Greg here. And tested these headphones for just a few moments. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to use this Dolby Atmos card. So if you're going to use this on Xbox, guys, you're just going to hit the Xbox button, go to home, and you can go to the store and press use a code. Let's see how many steps it takes for us to actually use this Dolby Atmos card here. So I'm going to press the Xbox home button. So you're going to go to the Xbox store, and you're going to go down right here, right to the middle, and it does say use the code right there. And now I'm just going to type my code in, and then we'll see what happens. Here's what you get: Dolby Atmos for headphones. Okay, let's get that. Okay, now it says Dolby Atmos for headphones is ready for you. This product is install, launch. Alright, now we've got Dolby Atmos for headphones on. It says Dolby Atmos delivers stunning detail, precision, and realism in your entertainment. Experience your favorite Dolby Atmos. Okay, so now we're going to begin setup. Okay, so you want to go in here and you want to press Dolby Atmos for headphones. And it says all audio is optimized for headsets. Once you unplug the headset, it will go back to normal. So now this is what troubles me, because it says a power button on the back right here, but I'm not exactly sure how to shut this off. So now that's off. Okay, okay, so it's a little confusing because this is the power to shut that off is right there. Every time I turn this headset off, it's not registering that on the actual Xbox. So I actually would need to unplug that USB every time I'm done with this headset, which is just super annoying. Not exactly sure why this is happening. The headset's really nice. It does probably only work with Xbox. I'm going to test that out right now. So you can only use this headset with Xbox. Super annoying. I don't know why companies are doing this. I guess it's easier for them than making an optical base. The main problem with this Dolby Atmos headset, in order for this headset to receive Dolby Atmos sound, every time you power on the headset, you're going to need to go into your settings and change this audio, or you're going to have to unplug it every time you use it. So we'll see. It's Dolby Atmos for headphones right now. Okay, so let's see what happens when we unplug this. Okay, so yeah, unplugging it seems to be the best option. The sound came right back. So that's a little bit crappy, you know? It's pretty cool, guys, but definitely don't want to have to unplug that every time I'm done using it. It just seems a little bit ridiculous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can find a little workaround for this, because otherwise I'm going to be super annoyed. I know it sounds a little bit silly or whatever, but I don't want to have to keep adjusting this headset every time I use it. The mic is really cool, the way it works is really cool. You can even adjust the air cups. So if you press this button right here, you can actually move the air cups up and down. And that's a really nice feature. Like I said, guys, I kind of have a small head. So this is actually working out really well for me. So all you need to do to put it on is slide it over your head. The earbuds fit very comfortably, and I really like that. But the problem is, if you enable Dolby Atmos on your Xbox, you cannot use any other sound source at that time. I don't know why. There's some kind of complication with Dolby Atmos, or they're blocking users from doing that. So what actually happens in the Xbox when you turn Dolby Atmos for headphones on is it actually shuts off all your other options for audio. You can do one of two things to avoid this, as far as I know. You can unplug the headphone base and shut off the headset. Shutting off the headset doesn't seem to work on its own, which is a little disappointing to me. So you'd actually have to unplug the base of the headphones, which is 2 steps. Or you can go into the settings on your Xbox, go to headphones, and turn it to stereo uncompressed. And that'll give your sound options back. I'm not exactly sure. I think you would have to unplug it anyways in order to get Dolby Atmos from your television. So it's a little disappointing, but I'm going to give it a shot, try it out for a little while, and we'll see if this headset is really worth it. Like I said, guys, a lot of the other headsets at Best Buy were this exact same thing. The Turtle Beach ones don't even have a base anymore, so I think it's getting a little bit crazy what they're having to do with no base, but it must be a lot cheaper for them. But the headsets haven't gone down in price, they've gone up. So as an audio video guy, guys, I really want extra settings, and this is really kind of an annoyance for me that I don't want to deal with. I guess I won't use the headset that often, so it's not that bothersome. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to give you guys an update on these headphones, but for right now I think the headphones work pretty well. I'll have to test them in game chat, and I'll have to test them in a few other things. But as for build quality, ease of use, and comfortability, I think these things are pretty awesome. So if this is your first time here, guys, make sure you click that subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video. And that'll be next week, because I do this damn thing every week. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you later. I'm Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and I'm out. Peace.